Hi guys, this is Silent anymore. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to make a Dynamite Spring Rolls. So if you want to know how I make this, please continue watch my video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how I make this and serve it as fast as you can? Let's go! We need the chili pepper, the long one, and we need the cheese and the spring rolls sheets. So first step, we're going to clean the chili pepper and we're going to remove the seeds. So you're going to open it, and then when it's open, as you can see, there are seeds. You're going to remove it. So as you can see, it's already clean and I have already washed it. So this time we're going to put the cheese inside. So this is the cheese. You're going to slice it, okay? Then you're going to put 2 slices on its chili pepper. Then it will be look like this. And now we're going to wrap it with our spring rolls. Put the chili pepper on the wrapper and then you're going to roll it. Okay. Just roll it. It's like you're making spring rolls, but this time it's the chili pepper. Then you're going to close it with a little bit of water on its edges, so it will look like this. Then you can start to fry them. So now we have already then wrapped them, so we're going to fry it. So you're going to heat an oil in the pan, wait it until it gets hot, then we're going to fry them. So simple as that. Our Dynamite Spring Rolls are done, so you can now eat it and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.